What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Happy Thursday. In the last video I said happy Tuesday, but it was Wednesday. I'm doing great. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Almost at 2,000 subscribers. Almost, we're halfway there, but okay, cool. What I'm gonna do today is, like I promised in the last video, we are building a community portfolio that you can win as soon as Bitcoin hits $100,000. So that portfolio will be worth a shitload of money by then, if we choose the right coins, of course. And there are still too many coins, right? So I'm gonna review a couple of these coins. I'm gonna review them all. I'm gonna review a couple in this video. If you're already familiar with the challenge, skip 1 minute ahead. And if you feel like, huh, winning a portfolio, what up with that? So how does the challenge work and how can you win the crypto portfolio? YouTubers claim to know what the best altcoins are. So I will set up 4 crypto portfolios. An Alex Becker portfolio, a BitBoy portfolio, a crypto band portfolio, and a community portfolio made by you guys. There will be 10 coins in each portfolio and I will dollar cost a total of $1,500 in every one of them. Remember, we try to buy around the bottom of this bear market to sell in the next bull market, so the gains could be enormous. Once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I will give away the portfolio with the biggest returns to the Fomo fam, aka you guys. How to get involved? Be a subscriber of this channel and leave a comment every now and then. Further instructions will follow. And you can check out every video related to this challenge in the playlist on my channel. Now let's slowly FOMO into crypto the right way. So you can win a crypto portfolio. Now we need 15 coins in this portfolio because I added 5 coins because we had way too many and we need to let a lot go. So we're gonna end up with 15 in this one. Still need to remove a lot. So the things that I felt like should stay: SNFTS, Cake, Engine Started, Trader Joe, SolChicks, Polkadex, Fina, ALBT, and VXV. But these are 9. We need 6 more, right? So we need to let a lot go still because, yeah, there's more than that. So I just want to go over 5 coins in every video because I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, whatever. We have a lot. So I think this is a week of content where I will be going over all these coins, what it is exactly. Now, I don't know a lot of these projects myself as well. So what I'm going to do is just doing some basic research, not too deeply, because if you want to do a very good research, it takes hours, right? Hours. So what I just want to do is very short, like go to the website of the project. What is it in the first place? How are the tokenomics? How are the team? Are they still working on it? You know, and if you have certain ideas like, okay, take a slightly deeper dive into that one, definitely let me know so I can do that. For now, I just want to start with the top 5 right here and we'll work it all the way down, right? So that's just what we're gonna do. That's not smart because it's sorted on holding. So let's just sort it on market cap, right? So here we have the market cap, right? So we start with Pancakeswap, Mina Protocol, Ecomi, Casper Network, and Oasis Network. So let's start with Pancakeswap. We all know kind of what Pancakeswap is, so this one doesn't have to take too long. What Pancakeswap, Cake is the native token of the DEX Pancakeswap, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain, BNB chain is what it's called right now. So in the past, they didn't have a max supply. They now have a max supply, so that's a huge improvement for Cake, in my opinion, because that was one thing holding me down when it came to Cake. Now, of course, we need to check out the price. I just want to check out the prices first, because if the price already looks terrible for some reason, I have no interest in looking more into it. So this is Cake. I always do this. This is Cake. It came from $44 and it's now sitting, yeah, basically 10 times as low, right? $4.60. So when it comes to that, there is a lot of potential to go back up, right? Now, I must say, I look at the stochastic RSI for Cake and it's looking quite oversold, but this has nothing to do with research. That has to do with when we are actually going to dollar cost, right? But it doesn't have to mean anything. Cake is basically sitting at its lows right now. I don't know if Binance is the chart that takes it most back. I think it's at least one of them. Feb 2021. Could be. Cake is, in my opinion, not going anywhere. Because I really believe in the Binance Smart Chain. It's fast, it's cheap, it's easy to build on. It won't just go anywhere, right? It's not for the brightest developers. These will build on Solana, on Kronos, on, I don't know. But there is a lot of stuff going on. Well, we need a DEX then, of course, as well. And the native token of DEX is what drives the price, right? And yeah, the DEX, the leading DEX is Pancakeswap. And in my opinion, that won't change. If we take a look at the price chart, yeah, okay, cool. So the price chart looking pretty healthy. It has a lot of room to go back to its all-time high. That should not be your main measurement. But people paid $44 for it. So there's no reason for me to believe that they won't pay $44 for it in the next bull run, as the tokenomics will be way better by then than it was back then. Right. So yeah, if we look at Pancakeswap, you know, it has a lot of utilities. You can trade. That's the main purpose. They have a bridge. You have your farms. You have your pools right here. You it has a launchpad, by the way. It has its NFTs. Like the launchpad is the IFO, initial farm offering, so you can farm cake tokens to participate in these sales. So they have a lot of utility. So Pancakeswap. This is what Pancakeswap is very, very, very shortly, basically, right? So let's go to the next one. The next one is gone. The next one is Mina Protocol. I don't know too much about Mina Protocol, to be really honest. And there are a lot of projects in here that I don't know. So you might see my newbies side, because when I'm doing my research, I like to put on my noise cancelling headphones, sit down for quite a while and really look deep into it. But now I have to be a host as well, of course. So this is just the basic stuff, right? Again, this is not like the best research you can do, but it is the basic stuff. So the price came from $9 all-time high, all the way to 59 cents. It's not that old, I think like a year or something like that. Yeah, basically, I knew you could participate in the pre-sale for 25 cents or 2.5 cents. One of the two. I almost participated, and that would have been very nice, but I didn't get through. Right, circulating supply, total supply, not far from each other, but max supply, infinity. I don't like infinity max supply there. So let's take a quick look at that. So if you want to know you know what up with that, for example, you go to the Telegram and you're probably not the first with that question, right? So don't just ask and wait. And you can also search for max supply, and then there are, you know, probably people that asked it before. Please, what is the max supply of Mina, and does it have a burn mechanism? Mina is an inflationary token, so it does not have a max supply. Token distribution and supply document. So they have a complete document about that, which I like. They have a lot of information. Mina 8 years circulating supply. So what's now in circulation are 700 million tokens. In 8 years, there will be almost 2 billion tokens, right? So it's not growing that fast. With an infinite supply, I would say like, no, not touching it, definitely not. But they're not growing that fast. Like, it's now 700 million, so we are now, well, it makes sense, we are around here. And these are months, right? Jesus Christ, this is so hard. Okay, whatever. This year 1, this year 2, and this will probably Bitcoin, give or take, will hit $100,000. So that's year 3. So that's not that much more than what we have right now. So when it comes to that, this won't stand in our way, right? You can see where it is going. Block rewards, community, Mina Foundation, so block rewards. Okay, cool. So I think you can stake it. So if you search for the word stake, yeah. Mina is a proof of stake based blockchain. Blah blah blah. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's stakeable, right? Great. Tokenomics not that bad. Therefore, you always want to check that out. Like, okay, is this really that terrifying or me? Well, in this case, I don't care, right? So yeah, Mina, it's a big protocol. Of course, they're still building. They of course, they will probably have an active Telegram. Let me check. Yeah, that's kind of, is that Scott Mel? Yeah, Scott Melker, cool. I like that guy. Yeah, a lot of talking going on in here. Of course, big project. The protocol itself, the website. Well, here you have all the information. Sorry, I'm still sick, so I'm a little. It's not that I don't want to do this, but I'm just really fucked up. Mina is building the privacy and security layer for Web3. And it's the lightest blockchain. What I saw from what I think, we are the world's lightest blockchain powered by participants using zero knowledge technology. Mina is creating the infrastructure for the secure, democratic future we all deserve. Okay, cool. So, whoa. Well, okay, cool. That's the lightest blockchain. Yeah. So a lot of technical information that you probably are very interested in if you know about that. You can run a node with the world's first, it doesn't say that, with the world's lightest blockchain. Running a node is easier than ever. Here you'll find all the information you need to get it up and running. So you can run a node right here, and that's pretty cool. Node operators, it's kind like hard, but it's possible, right? But that's not for us what we want to do, but okay, it's all possible. Then about Mina, where's something about the team? Contributor, software engineer. Mina is an inclusive open source protocol with community members and contributors from around the world. Okay, cool. So big people. Backers, always very important, because you want to know, like, do they have some backers? Like, are they going to survive this bear market, right? And they have a lot of backers here, and I know some of them. Not all of them, but there are some pretty big names in here. So that's what I really like as well. So that's looking good. And I don't know if it's on this website. Let me check if I can find it. Search Mina. No, it's not here. Not here. Okay, so we have to check out, like, what can be built and what has been built on Mina Protocol. So you want to do search for some YouTube videos about Mina Protocol, but that's Mina Protocol very shortly, right? Short-sighted, kind of research. Do I forget something really important? We went over the tokenomics, over the use case, over the team, over the backers, over the community. Yeah. Let's leave it for now. If you have any questions, what we should go over, let me know. Okay, so we have Ecomi. I don't know anything about this project. I heard about it, and I heard it's a good project, but I don't know anything about it. So we have circulating supply 280 billion. We have a total supply of 300 billion and a max supply of 270 billion. 750 billion. Sorry, I'm really not here. Look, this is what I like. This is what Phantom did as well, right? There was nothing going on with the project, like nothing. They came out, but there wasn't anything, right? And once there was something, they got the timing so perfectly, by the way. Then boom, they did a. Whoa, how many X it was? I don't know. Well, it was crazy, at least. Yeah, 360X. Absolutely insane. Or is that the 3000? I don't know. It's crazy. So yeah. And here it also always says what it does. So Ecomi's mission is to create the world's first best platform to purchase, protect, and collect premium licensed digital collectibles using distributed ledger technology. Okay. Okay. Secure wallet, 100 million of digital assets stolen each year, keeping your currencies. So they're creating wallets as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so they have some kind of an NFT marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. Well, that's what I understand, just NFTs. They are building wallets. They have their token metrics. Let me take a look at that. Circulating supply. Token sale. All right, so that's getting vested. Q2 2021 team tokens are getting vested. We are now at Q4 2022. So we are here, right? So there are still team tokens getting vested, quite a lot, and that won't stop till the end of next year. So that's quite a lot. And I don't know if I think it's that interesting. You know, okay, NFT marketplace. That must be me. I'm just giving you my opinion, but I'm pretty deeply into NFTs lately, and I never heard people talk about Omi when we talked about NFTs, really, basically. And I don't really like the tokenomics, how it's getting vested still, because we are now into deep vestings for the team and they will dump on us. So especially now it's a bear market, right? And they're building the project, so they now need the money, so they will dump on us. I don't know if this isn't just very overvalued. Look, I'm gonna just write down what I think, right? So, fucking hell. Community should go. In my opinion, I have to do more research. I can't say this based on just what I have seen, because that's really not enough. But I'm not really feeling it. I don't know about you guys. Let me know. Do some good research. Twitter, yeah, of course they will be active on Twitter. Of course, I believe that. Let me take a look. They're not even followed by big accounts, by the way. It's not like wow. No, it's not. I expected like they have all the following, of course, because it's such a big project. But that's not really the case. The price is sitting 10x from its all-time high, but yeah, what's not, right? They have their Telegram. Of course, they have the Telegram. 33,000 members, also not a lot, by the way, for such a big project. Let's see, it is active in here, so that's good. I don't know. I'm not feeling it, but that's me. Let me know what you think. So, next one. So we had Pancakeswap, Mina, and Ecomi. Mina, I like. All right, so, okay, cool. We have Casper Network. And the juicy stuff is coming later, right? As we get to the low caps. And I feel like mostly the high caps should go anyway. But, you know, if there is a very nice project, then yeah. So also we want to take a look at the max supply unlimited. We want to check that out, all right? Because, you know, could be very fucked. If we look at the price charts, it went from $1.33 all the way to 3 cents. So that's really terrible. And if it's because this is the case, then that will keep going, but we have to take a look at that. But Casper Network is a layer 1 general purpose blockchain similar to Ethereum. It is built on the... Okay, well, wait. It's similar to Ethereum, mainly targeting institutional and expertise clients, helping them to adopt blockchain technology. Okay. Well, wait. Isn't there more than that? Okay, they have some good listings like crypto.com. KuCoin is a good exchange, but it lists everything. They don't have top tier exchanges, really. Like, yeah, you know, KuCoin, Gate, Huobi, but they list everything. So I don't consider that very nice. But okay. We want to take a look at the tokenomics because... That's also kind of a deal breaker. Always. It doesn't matter how good the project is. If your tokenomics are bad, then I'm not interested. So economics. So let me take a look. Where do you find this? Tokenomics. Do I spell this correctly? Yeah. There's no information about the tokenomics in here. All right. Okay. It should be somewhere. This is the website? This is it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the Telegram because we want to know, and I want to check out their Twitter as well. Do they have important eyes on them? Some. All right, could be worse. Some. Let me remove some stuff. Right. This I want to keep. All right, so I want to take a look at their Telegram because I want to know about the tokenomics and the max supply for this one as well. So let's search for that max supply. And yeah. Exactly what I'm curious, if interest rate or APY is 11% and the inflation rate is 8%, how does this make an investor happy to invest with Casper? I'm basically making 3% per year on my investment with Casper. And I see that your max supply is also set at affinity, meaning that there's no max supply. And you can keep minting more Casper tokens in the market. Is there a plan to tackle this situation? That's a good question. Valid points. Yes. How does an investor make happy to invest in Casper when APY is 11% and inflation? So you are not happy with 11%. That's not what he asked. Okay, we don't speak in terms of investments. Inflation rate can change in the future if it emerges as CEP, Casper Enhancement Protocol, and there is enough support for it. Just to be clear, all future tokens will only be those created algorithmically to the reward validator. Okay, yeah, but... Right, it's kind of hard to figure out, I guess, what up with this supply. Why is there no max supply? It's an inflationary token with 8% per year. 8% per year is a lot. It is a lot, though. Yeah. This is not what you want. This is not what you want. Like, with Mina Protocol, it's very slowly. But this one, 8% every year... That's quite a lot. So next year there will be 12 million. After that there will be 13.2 million, something like that. No. Okay, I don't know. I am already not feeling it for now. It won't feel good for me to invest in this. So CSPR. Also because, you know, these are the higher cap projects already, right? So I'm a bit more like, if I already see something that I don't like, I feel like, nah, let's skip this because, you know, this is not where the money is being made anyway, right? Casper is not going to do 100x in the next bull run. Hell no. Rose is a good blockchain. So let's take a look. All right, circulating supply 5 million, total supply 10 million. Cool. So it has a limit, right? Still half has to get vested. So that's less good, but at least there is a limit to that. Rose is currently sitting at 6 cents all-time high, 60 cents, something like that. Let me take a look. Yeah, 60 cents. So 10 times as well from the all-time high. Let's go to the Oasis protocol.org and Okay. Join the Telegram. So we're start building. So you can already build on it. Of course, you can run a node. You know, get started. The Oasis network has a reputable, decentralized pool of validator node running the consensus layer and supporting the growth of the network. For a full list of nodes running on the network, check out the community build validator leaderboards from Stake.fish or Smart Stake. These are, I guess, the backers. Right, so you can get started, run a node, says exactly how it works, whatever. So cool, it's very clear. Their team. Why is it always so hard to find a team? They have a team, of course. Of course, they do have a team, but I have no idea why I can find it. I thought like about, but you know, I guess not. Papers, okay. They have a lot of information. So Rose is like a, look, this is not, these are all layer ones, right? So these are hard projects to understand, especially if I have to go through it within half an hour with 5 kind of projects. So I'm just really trying to look for the top layer of the project first, right? But Rose token, let's take a shut the hell up. Let's take a look at Rose token supply. The Rose native token is capped supply token. Circulating supply at launch will be approximately 1.5 billion tokens, in the total 10 billion. So when it launched, there were 1.5 billion, and that was not that long ago. So the market cap shouldn't be that far from what it was. 2 billion, and it's now saying it's 300 million. Okay. Well, vesting is not that bad, doesn't have that much of an impact. The Rose token is used for transaction fees, staking, and delegation at the... Okay, but what I do... you have staking rewards. Approximately 2.3 billion tokens will be automatically distributed on-chain as staking rewards to stakers and delegators for securing the network over time. So we can stake our tokens and community... Yeah. Okay, but that's good. Although, I must say, to be completely honest, without knowing too much about the project, so people that do know might feel like, dude, shut the fuck up, what you talking about? But I have never till barely seen a project, a good project that's out there built on Rose, right? And that could be because a project like Rose is very new, but it isn't that new. It's already up and running for quite a while. It's already possible to build on Rose for quite a while, and the token is already out for quite a while, like almost 2 years right now. So, but I don't know. So Oasis, let's take a look. Oasis. So here we have Rose. These are the projects built on Rose, right? Or these are the projects. Let me put it like this. Here we can find Rose. Rose. Probably end up on the same page anyway. Oasis. Okay, wait. Let me go back first. So if we take a look, the total value locked on the whole Rose ecosystem is $23 million. Like Harmony, for example, is a completely dead chain. And that has more. And all these projects have more. Moonbeam, Moonriver, even EOS, Cardano, Elrond, Waves. Also a lot of chains that you feel like, what projects are built on there, right? And then we have Rose all the way here. $23 million total value locked. That's not a lot, right? Then when we look at the total value locked, okay, cool. So they have ValleysWap, that's the DEX. They have Uniswap. They have Fountain Protocol, BV, Lizard, Gemkeeper. Cool. So they have a lot of DEXs. They have some lending, yield aggregator, cross-chain. But they also don't have a lot of stuff. Like they don't have a launchpad yet. They don't it's not a complete ecosystem still, right? So there are no projects being built on Rose. Their ecosystem is not fully complete yet. It just doesn't and if it's like I said, very new, then it's okay, because then you might be really early, and that could be a huge gamble, but a huge reward as well. But in this case, I feel like they have some time already. So where is it? We have ValleysWap, for example. If this is all good stuff, then I will be more interested in the leading DEX of Rose, right? This has the most value locked. So then we might take a look at ValleysWap. Do they have their own token? Well, I bet you that they do. They have the price right here. DEX screener, VS. Yeah, VS is ValleysWap. So let's take a look at VS, which is Valley. God damn it, why doesn't it just... Valley swap. It's not even listed here. All right, that's okay. So market cap. Okay, so the biggest DEX, right, on Rose, their native token has a market cap 10 times as low as the worst meme coin out there, basically. No. there are no project, there are no good projects being built on Rose yet. There are no things out there. So if there's nothing, then Rose is not getting anywhere as well. So if this will get somewhere, I will be, much rather be interested in the ecosystem, but not in Rose itself. Sorry for that, for the people that called that one. But I don't see Rose doing anything. So these were the first 5 within give or take half an hour. Sorry for the long video again. But yeah, that's the time that we actually need at least to go over some of these coins, right? So that is Pancakeswap, Mina Protocol, Ecomi, Casper Network, and Oasis Network, which Cake and Mina I like, but Ecomi, Casper, and Oasis, in my opinion, should go. Just leave a comment. Do you agree? Yes or no? Because we can also filter it out based on, what gets most comments. I should have asked that at the beginning of the video because a lot of people might not be watching anymore because I'm so boring today. But next video, we will be going over Cadena, Flux, Immutable X, Ergo, and Nervous. So we already getting to the low cap, and then it's getting really juicy and juicy and juicy. So I hope you will be there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.